Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your personal email here in Hubspot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in HubSpot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Connecting your personal email to HubSpot is a straightforward process that offers numerous benefits that can streamline your communication, enhance tracking, and improve overall productivity. Once you are logged into your HubSpot account, I need you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon, where you can see the profile and preferences. I want you to click on it. There's going to be four tabs, or many tabs rather. Okay, so you have the profile, email, calling, calendar, and tasks and security. I want you to click on the email because in this tab you would be able to see your personal email. If you haven't already, you might want to click this orange button. And from here, you can save time in HubSpot in your inbox where you can send and schedule emails from HubSpot. You can log emails, replies to HubSpot automatically, and of course, you can suggest follow-up tasks and capture contact details from your email. If you like that, turn on your inbox automation and connect your inbox. In this situation, I'm going to be typing in deeplabs@gmail.com. All I have to do is click on next. All right. Your email is hosted by Google and we recommend connecting to Gmail. I want you, if you are on this section, click on the orange button. I highly suggest you read and understand all the information here. All right. Basically, you're authorizing HubSpot to access your Google account by pressing the continue button. And from here, all I have to do is press continue. Of course, select all and select continue. If you do trust HubSpot, you might gonna do that. Establishing connection, and there's gonna be a status progress on the connecting your email. And as you can see, by connecting your email to HubSpot, you can now manage all your email communication directly from the HubSpot platform, reducing the need to switch between multiple tools, which is, I find it very helpful because email sent or received from your personal email can be automatically logged to the HubSpot CRM, making it easier to track conversations and of course manage relationships. Now, if you want to download the extension for Gmail and Outlook, you might want to do that so you can quickly access your CRM and sales tools from within your own inbox. So you can stop switching tabs and get your work done faster. But I'm going to skip that because that's for another video. I'm going to click on, you see, I have already connected this. If you want to remove that, all I'm going to do is click on this and connect the personal email again if you wanted, all right? Connect your inbox. Right? So, but if you encounter any problems connecting your personal email here in HubSpot, the thing that I could suggest is go to the HubSpot official customer support service. You see, these are going to be your options. You can contact the customer support from this. If you want to type in your question, you're welcome to do so. You have the Hubspot here on the left side panel, and once you get a hold of the customer staff, tell them you're having problems or issues connecting your personal email and HubSpot account, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps to fix that issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.